Hey y'all, happy New Year. This is the first ride of the new year, polar bear ride, whatever. Well, how temperature check deal. Run an intro while I get the temperature thingy going. I could just turn the bike on, but it's not probably won't be accurate. Just run an intro, I'm rambling. We're riding with the Stilettos on steel. Bike said it's boop boop. It said boop boop boop. She said it was 37. Not as hot in here. No, it's not as hot. It's hotter in here than it was yesterday. Let's put it that way. It says 37. Yesterday was 26. Can't see my breath today. So, and yesterday got warmer in the day. The day in Alabama we're supposed to get like 10 degrees warmer. I don't know. That's just different weather channels, I guess. So, how's your Happy New Year? You stay up late last night? I stayed up almost late. Yeah, almost late. Let's get on the bike and, oh boy. Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? How your mama and them? So, Happy New Year. I done said that about 10 times now. Even though you probably be seeing this towards the end of January because I got so many videos lined up. Anyway, sun tried to come out and it went back, so they keep saying it's going to clear up. So let's hope so. Let me get my gloves and stuff on, and we'll talk about, I don't know, anything we want to, I guess. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Let's get this thing situated here. I tried to see if they came home last night because I had finally took that box up there to them. I'm playing FedEx man. Oh me. If it wasn't dog food, I probably would have kept it. Oh me, mama. I scared the horsey. He was, yeah, you know, they say grass is greener. You always think the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. That's what he was doing, eating grass on the other side of the fence. So we're going to ride over to, I don't know much about this. I tried to Google them, and it comes up. They got a website, and they're all over the country called Stilettos on Steel. I got a couple Alabama chapters, but the Alabama, they don't say nothing about this, the chapter, and then the list of, you know, the officers and stuff, or the coordinator. It's a female riding club. So we know one of the Heather, you've seen in some of my other videos, she rides a Spider. And she's got back on 2 wheels after her cancer clear up deal. So I think it's a Yamaha or something. But anyway, we're gonna ride over there to Oxford, Alabama, to Sam Crow gas station. Sam Crow from the Sons of Anarchy, you know. That's the name of the gas station, Sam Crow. There's a, they all over Alabama, SAMCO. I think of Sam Crow, C-O-W, but it's C-O, just Sam, C-O. I'm rambling because I'm cold and I'm just trying to keep my jaws warm by talking a lot. New me, new you. You know, new me, new year, new me. Yeah. Nope, I'm still going to be the same old asshole. Me. Bike wouldn't start this morning. They had to jump the thing off for my little barrel pack. I don't know. It started yesterday. Fine, it was colder. And then the oil pressure light was on. Oil pressure, little oil thingy thing was on. And I cut it back off because that scared me. So I don't know. Maybe the oil was too thick and it wasn't too much pressure. I don't know. Well, I wish these bikes had oil pressure thingies. Yeah, so then we're going to ride up to a restaurant called Beans and Greens. We eat there all the time. Pretty good buffet deal, but man, that place is going to be covered up today. Because last night I was still full for them wings. Remember, it's bad luck to eat chicken and That's what they said, chicken and lobsters. So let's get on over there and see what's going on. GoPro start recording. Down there with no motorcycles. Might see some, I can't tell. I see a couple standing out. And there's Heather. Let's see if we can get around here and get some gassy. Go juice. Alright, I'll get some ghosts there. See Sam Crow. Oh me. 2 Can-Ams, a Sportster, 2 Street Glides, a Trike, Road Glide, a Yamaha, a Moto Guzzi, and some more Harleys and another Limited. GoPro start recording. How you doing, folks? Are we fixing to get going? Turn this thing around here. GoPro start recording. Who's gonna go where and all? I don't know. I think they're gonna ride in the back. Alright, we made it out here. I don't know how I got in second, but I did. I jumped up here. Alright. And of course that Jeep's gonna come out and cut right in front of everybody. Y'all see that Jeep back there? He just come on out and jumped in between everybody. So it's about GoPro start recording. Turn this around here. I don't know how much I'm gonna record. Get everything set here. 43.7 degrees at 11:45. We 15 minutes late. We were waiting on somebody and they still didn't show up. That's the way to go. I think we got 12 or 13 bites. I think one came in a little later. But anyway, it's like I don't think I got beans and greens saved. So it's about 30 miles up there. Probably a little longer the way we going because he's gonna go over here to 9. I don't know why we just didn't meet over here at 9, that gas station, but oh well. It's not my ride, it's the Stilettos of Stilettos of Steel or something like that. Yep, I don't think I got beans and greens saved. I don't think so. Nope. Alrighty then, we'll see you when we'll record some when we get closer. They're gonna go up here and block the other way, like, oh well. See if we can get a scrapey. Turn this around here. Come on. I'm hangry. It's 1 o'clock, so it's 2 o'clock our time, Georgia time. So eat and run is all we can do. It'll be dark in 2 hours. Time we get home. Time we wait to get in line, an hour or two to get in line because nobody. I'll just quit complaining. We'll be there in a minute and we'll eat some good food. Well, the place is just right up here. You can see all the cars probably. Hell, they probably done sold all the food by now. They parking everywhere. All right. Everybody else done took off and left. Well, it's not everybody. There's still some still in there eating and socializing. It was a good ride. Good number of people showed up for their first annual Stilettos and Steels ride. I think I'm gonna go back this way, go down Tomcat Road, cut across, instead of going all the way to the center. Woohoo! So it's about let's see how far it is to get home. I think it's like 50 something miles. It's nippier. I should have told you it's nippier. It's 45.5 degrees, but it says it's cooler than that. Feels cooler, 45.5. I think this is Tomcat Road. Tomcat Road, we're gonna be Tomcatting. Tomcat. Yep, Tomcat Road. Might be some ice on it. They waited on one girl. And she was running late, so we left her down there, and the husband of the lady that led us waited on her to get there, and they beat us here. And this is the way they came up through 9 to 278 and yeah, whatever. But it was a good turnout to do our annual polar bear ride, first ride of the year. Woohoo! And he said it ain't raining. We've had some that was raining before and didn't get to ride some that was damp. Yeah, So, y'all, I hope y'all have a happy new year, having a happy new year, happy, good start to 2024. Maybe yeah, you know what I want. Y'all go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up for a happy new year. Hopefully we'll see you down the road somewhere. Later, Gators.